All right, so the projects are the heart of the course. The hands-on projects are what most people most want to do, and that's what I most want you to do. It's an engineering course. You came here to do things, not just learn theory. So the projects are here. And so the first one is binary games. This one you do not need to install any software or anything. It's all just in a website. And you learn some basic mathematics. In case you don't know binary, you should learn binary. So I'll just talk about one of these briefly. I'll try and remember to do one of these every night. We'll see how it goes. So, nibbles. In base 10, each digit is from 0 through 9. So if I write 147, you know that is 100 plus 4 tens plus 7. Or 1 times 10 to the 2, 4 times 10 to the 1, and 7 times 10 to the 0. But computers use binary. So there's base 10, hundreds place, ones place, tens place. You know that already. But in base 2, you only have 0 and 1. So 1, 1 means 1 times 2 plus 1, or 3. That's 1 times 2 to the 1 plus 1 times 2 to the 0. And so if you have a 3-digit number in base 2, it's a 1. This is the number of 1s, this is the number of 2s, and this is the number of 4s. And so if you count to 7, you get this: 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 2 is 1, 0, that's 1, 2, and no 1s. A 2 and a 1 is 3. A 4 and nothing else is 4. And a 7 is a 4 plus 2 plus 1. And 7 is as high as you can count with 3 bits. If you have 4 bits, then the one on the right is the number of 1s, next one is the number of 2s, next one is the number of 4s, and next one is the number of 8s. And therefore, if you have 4 bits, you can count up to 15. So 1, 0, 0, 0 is 1, 8, no 4s, no 2s, and no 1s. 10 is 10, 10, that's 1, 8, and 1, 2. And 15 is 1, 1, 1, 1, that's 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 4 bits make a nibble, and you can count from 0 to 15 with 4 bits. So there's a game you play here. And so let's do a few of these. 1, 1, 1, 1, convert it to decimal. Let me make it so this fits on the side and Twitch over on the side. What is that number in decimal? So you can answer it in the Twitch chat. If I can get the Twitch chat to show up on a screen without being too... I'll put it on the other side of the screen. That's what I'll do. There we go. Yep, 15. Antignore got it right. Good. I'm just there. All right, so 1, 1, 1, 1 is 15. We just talked about it. Okay. How about this one? 10, 10. That's 10. Good. Because it's 8. No 4s but a 2. And how about this one? 1, 0, 0. It's a little slow because I think there's a lag in Twitch. Okay, that's 4. That's correct. All right, so that's all the game. These games are very simple. And after you get a certain number right, I think 5 right in a row or maybe 10, then you'll get a flag here. And once you have a flag value, you can turn that in Canvas. Now, there are 2 ways to turn in your homework. You can choose one or the other. What most students do is they'll get the flag, you take a screenshot of this, and then you put it in Canvas. So you go to the class web page here, and then you go to the Canvas, which is here. And then you'll find a place here to turn in the binary games, which I'm not seeing. Let's see if they're here in assignments. That's rude. They appear to be missing. How rude. They are not there, all right? I'll put them in there right now, and I'll let my grader know some of these things are missing for some reason. Let me try and figure out when I thought they were due. 141, projects. Oh, that's not where the due dates are. The due dates are here. Okay, there, due next week, 122, okay. So, they belong here. There's C101. Oh, that is there. It just doesn't have the name binary games. Okay, good, I feel better. They should have been there, and they are there. It's called C101. Okay, you submit them here. So you go here, and you'll see you can, you should be able to submit something. All right, it doesn't look, submitting a text entry or upload. Okay, but how do you do it? Maybe I have to be in student view. Let me try that. I'm a little confused here. Maybe I need to log in or something. Oh, that's why I wasn't logged in. Ah, you can see the sighting when you're logged in, not logged in. That's interesting. I don't know how that happened. Ah, well, things might make a little more sense when I'm logged in. It does make sense that when you're not logged in, you can't turn in the projects. Let me go here, and now I should have student view. There it is, view as student. All right, now I'm catching on. So the project is here. All right. And now you can start the assignment. And when you do, here you can upload a file, which would be the screenshot, and you can type in a comment, which would be the flag. There'll be a word that picks up saying, there, this is how you turn in stuff. So there are a bunch of binary games to do, and you can do them. This was nibbles. There are bytes and hex and so on, and I made it 25 points required and 15 points extra. These are worth 5 points each, so you can just keep going and do extra ones if you like to get extra points. All right, so that's the binary games. Let me check and see if there are questions in the chat. Looks like there aren't. Okay, so I'm going to stop this video.